Hi Drastic Cuties, Whitney here. Today we're going to draw a cup of pumpkin spice latte to celebrate fall. So let's get started. To draw this cup of pumpkin spice, we're going to first start by drawing the top of the cup. So I'm just going to come right here and just start a soft curve across. So say about that long, and then we're going to start to draw the cup. So from this point right here, I'm going to go straight down on both sides. And I'm slowly going to build my cup, and we're going to round it off as we come to the bottom. So it's all up to you what kind of cup you want to draw. Just making my kind of like a mug. And down here, I'm going to go ahead and connect it and flatten it out. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come up here and we're going to draw some of the cream that's on top. So I'm just going to aim towards the center. I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to randomly wiggle my way up to the top. And as I come to the top about right here, I'm just going to go one big curve towards the center, and then I'm going to start with another curve going the other way, and then once again I'm just going to start to wiggle my way down. And then let's come to the side right here and we'll draw some cinnamon sticks. So I'll stick 2 of them in here, so come about right here. And I'm just going to swirl at the top and connect it back down. And I'm just going to add another line right there. So same thing over here, just another one really close to it. Swirl once again. And connect, and just add a line in the center. There, my 2 cinnamon sticks in, and then now let's give some details to the cream. So here and there you can add some curves. It's all up to you how much detail you want to put in the cream. And then when you're coloring it, you can add some cinnamon sprinkles. Okay, so from there, let's go ahead and add a handle right here for our mug. So about right here, I'm just going to draw like a backwards C or ear, and then come in here and thicken it up for a handle. Okay, so then now let's draw some details on our mug. I'm going to give it 2 stripes, so I can add some fall colors to this cup. So I'm just following my top curve, and then another one. There. Okay, so then now if you want to bring it to life, let's add some eyes right here. So I'm going to come about in this area and just go ahead and draw a circle. And I'm going to come to the other side, right there. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with 2 small circles for highlights, and then a curve at the bottom and shade in the top. So how time flies. It's fall again, my favorite time of the year. And I'm looking forward to drawing a lot of fall-inspired drawings for you once again. So if you love fall like me, please make sure to check out my fall-inspired Draw So Cute drawings and playlist. Okay, so we have the eyes in. Let's come to the top right here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve above each eye. And in between the eye, I'm going to draw a smile. And I'm going to add a tongue. Make it extra yummy. There. And cap it off. Okay, so now we have the cup in, and before I forget, let's come up here and I'm just going to draw some steam lines so we know it's nice and hot. So about here, draw another one. There. Okay, so nice and toasty, right? So next to this cup, I'm gonna draw a cute little pumpkin, and so right next to it, so come about right here. For the top, I'm just gonna wiggle 3 curves, and then I'm gonna bring it around just to draw a pumpkin. Just small little mini pumpkin right next to our cup, and connect it. And let's come in here very lightly. And I'm just going to draw some curves. And it's coming here with a stem. And if you want, you can wiggle. And then let's bring it to life if you like to. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw and thicken a curve for the eyes. It's a happy little pumpkin. And a smile. Aww, so cute, right? Okay, so then from there, let's draw some details I'm adding to decorate to make it extra fall-like. So let's draw a little star anise right here. So it's going to basically be kind of like drawing a flower with 5 petals. So then from there, you can come in here to thicken it up. So here and there to make it look like a star anise, and let's add another one here, a bigger one. Okay, so then maybe let's come here and we're just going to draw a little leaf, however you want to decorate to make it, to celebrate fall. And let's see here, maybe add a little oak leaf right here. So I hope this drawing really inspires you to draw it and celebrate fall, and maybe another one here. And some other spices, just random circles here and there, just to finish it up. Okay, so now to bring everything together, let's add a horizontal line that goes across so it looks like everything's sitting on the table. So I'm going to come about right here, and it's going to go across. Try my best. Look at my camera here. Okay, let's keep going. And there. Almost straight. So there, that's pretty much it for my pumpkin spice latte to celebrate fall. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.